Computer network topology. The arrangement of networks that represent how the computers are connected to each other is known as topology. There are 5 types of topology: mesh topology, star topology, bus topology, ring topology, and hybrid topology. Mesh topology. In mesh topology, each device is connected to every other device on the network, through a dedicated point-to-point link. If there are n devices in the network, then each device must be connected with n-1 devices of the network. Advantages of mesh topology. No data traffic issues, as there is a dedicated link between 2 devices. Mesh topology is reliable and robust, as failure of one link doesn't affect other links, and the communication between other devices on the network. Mesh topology is secure because there is a point-to-point link, thus unauthorized access is not possible. Fault in the network is diagnosed easily. Disadvantages of mesh topology. Installation and configuration is difficult. Cost of cables are high, as bulk wiring is required, hence suitable for less number of devices. Cost of maintenance is high. Star topology. In star topology, each device in the network is connected to a central device called hub. The devices can't communicate directly. They can communicate with other devices through the hub. Advantages of star topology. Less expensive because each device only need one I/O port to connect to the hub. Less amount of cables required, because each device needs to be connected with the hub only. Robust, if one link fails, other links will work just fine. Easy fault detection because the link can be easily identified. Easier to install. Disadvantages of star topology. If hub goes down, everything goes down. None of the devices can work without hub. Hub requires more resources, and regular maintenance because it is the central system of star topology. Bus topology. In bus topology there is a backbone cable, and all the devices are connected to this backbone cable through drop lines. Since all the data is transmitted over the main cable, there is a limit of drop lines and the distance a main cable can have. Advantages of bus topology. Easy installation, since each cable needs to be connected with backbone cable. Less cables required than mesh and star topology. Disadvantages of bus topology. Difficult to detect any fault. Not scalable, as there is a limit of how many nodes you can connect with backbone cable. If the backbone cable fails, the complete network crashes. Ring topology. In ring topology, each device is connected with the 2 devices on either side of it. This structure forms a ring, thus it is known as ring topology. Each device in ring topology has a repeater. If a device wants to send data to another device, then it sends the data in one direction. If device 1 wants to send data to device 5, it first sends the data to device 2. If the received data is intended for other device, then repeater forwards this data, until device 5 receives it. Advantages of ring topology. Ring topology is easy to install. Managing is easier, as to add or remove a device from the topology only 2 links are required to be changed. Disadvantages of ring topology. A link failure can fail the entire network, as the signal will not travel forward. Data traffic is more, since all the data is circulating in a ring. Hybrid topology. A combination of 2 or more topology is known as hybrid topology. For example, a combination of star, ring, and bus topology is a hybrid topology. Advantages of hybrid topology. We can choose the topology based on the requirements. Scalable, as we can further connect other computer networks, with the existing networks, with different topologies. Disadvantages of hybrid topology. Fault detection is difficult. Installation is difficult. Design is complex, so maintenance is high, thus expensive.
Every week, you will be notified by a new video. So, don't forget to subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching Make It Easy Education.